No one knows how to restore order better than Boss. That's why we've developed a breadth-of-line portfolio that's battle-tested, made to last, and built to back you up. The weather may call for snow, but contractors know it's the ice that can make jobs more complex. Compounded with increased slip and fall litigation, rising material prices, increasing regulations, shrinking labor pools, and ever-increasing operational costs. Contractors need more from crews and equipment alike to keep up with the demands of ice control. Introducing the Boss QuickCube, the all-in-one skid steer salt spreader and storage unit that'll change the way you manage and grow your snow and ice business. The Boss QuickCube is a super efficient skid steer-based ice control system invented for the snow and ice contractor by a snow and ice contractor. Its simple, stackable design and 1,000-pound storage capacity means it could double as off-site storage, eliminating unsightly shelters, tarps, and exposed salt piles, and providing low-part inventory and easy field servicing. Plus, being built from durable, weather-tough polyethylene helps keep the elements out and protects de-icing materials inside. Loading is easy. Simply use a skid steer bucket to fill 2 QuickCubes simultaneously. Transport loaded cubes to the job site ahead of inclement weather to reduce truck wear and tear from transport and optimize profitability and customer response time. In addition, adding QuickCube to your arsenal allows you to expand your labor pool by hiring skid steer drivers instead of truck drivers. QuickCube's ability to increase the performance and productivity of crews is quickly transforming the way snow and ice contractors operate.
The QuickCube is one of our go-to tools now when we're designing our battle plan for the upcoming season. It eliminates transportation, you can preload it, and it just gives us lots of options in battling storms.
Efficiency is huge. The employee goes directly to the site instead of coming to an office, grabbing a truck, getting a salt, and then driving to the site.
You don't have to worry about weather because it's a sealed unit. There's no moisture getting in, it's never caked up, we've never had an issue. Aside from all the other benefits of QuickCube, the user friendliness is amazing, right? You don't even have to get out of the cab, you hit a button, it releases the box plow, you hit another button, you hook up, and you're off and running.
Boss is dedicated to building tough, innovative, and reliable solutions that help contractors effectively and efficiently face down the storm and overcome any obstacle in their path. From streets to sidewalks, snow removal to ice control, and everything in between. Boss understands the vast array of challenges presented by each and every winter storm. QuickCube, another top-of-the-line innovation from Boss that's built to back you up. Visit your Boss dealer to learn more.